Right.
The question was asked for me to explain the compounds and what it does. Well, I said that we made compounds, okay. We have two groups of compounds. One of them is glutathione, H1 for women that have hot and cold flashes because of private summers, winters. Males like myself, you got the T1, that you have a problem, but we can rectify it. You have the gingival, which is for the nervous system, that's going to help you maintain a certain level of stability and peace, internal peace. We have another one, the Green Pool Plus. The Green Pool Plus is a compound that we put together to address a whole lot of things. But one day, we gave a speech in Los Angeles at the Corama Hotel like this, and a woman won the raffle. My wife gave a raffle, and the person that went would take a bottle of Green Pool Plus home. She took it. She won it. That Sunday, she won that raffle. The Tuesday morning, her husband came to the shop. And what did he come for? He wanted the treatment. The treatment is composed of 5 bottles. The Banju, the self-cleanser, the Lupulo, the Lily of the Valley, and another one. He said, no, I want that bottle. He said, but that bottle's not the treatment. Yes, it is. Because my wife wanted that bottle, and her pressure went down, her sugar went down. Her nerves are good. All that in one bottle? Yes, all of that in one bottle. The Green Pool Plus. So we have compounds that you can buy on the counter, like the Green Pool Plus, the H1, the P1, and a salve. We have a salve. A salve that was made because of a young lady in Washington named Eva Britt. Eva Britt was rheumatoid arthritic for 28 years. When she began to take a compound, all of the pain that she experienced when it first began came back. So I had to make a salve to quench the pain. And it did. But then one day, Eva said that she put the salve on her breast because she noticed that she had a cyst on her breast. And 14 days later, the cyst was gone. Another man called in and said, what do you have for hair growth? I said, nothing. He said, yes, you do. You have a salve. I said, put it on my head where the hair was falling out, it's going there. A woman called and said, what do you have for hemorrhoids? I said, nothing. She said, yes, you do. You have a salve. That salve has responded for so many things. Yes, we have many compounds. Some over the counter, others for therapy. The therapeutic compounds you have to call Jamal. You cannot buy them over the counter. Because you need consultation, you need guidance, all through the therapeutic treatment. Sure. We have compounds to reverse lupus, herpes, blindness, diabetes, cancer. Of course we do. We have done it right in the us. And we continue to do it. That's why I'm so encouraged that Mr. Don Smith and Mikey, Julian, Romain, Jamal, and myself, we're going to head one of the leading health clinics in the world, right here.